Hi, I'm Ted Robinson. I want to tell you something about the wording of EFT. You know, through the years that I've been doing this, and I've been doing it for about 15 years now, people always concern themselves, how am I going to say the right words? You say them so consistently and everything like that, and I don't get them, so I don't bother. I just don't do EFT as a result. Not a good idea, right? So the best idea is to do the best you can. You use the words that come to you. If it's an emotional issue, you just simply talk about it. It's called telling the story in EFT land here. Okay, you just tell the story as if you're talking to your best friend, and you tap as you tell the story. That's all. Just tap and tell the story. Think of yourself on the phone to your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your other friend or your mother or father, your priest or minister or rabbi. Anything. Just tell the story and tap. And most importantly, feel your emotions fully. Feel the issue fully. See, when you're fully engaged with the issue, the words are almost immaterial. The whole idea of the words is to get you to feel those emotions fully. Once you're feeling them, you don't have to do much except tap, because you're fully engaged in the issue. You're fully engaged in your story. And by the way, let me just tell you a little side note about this whole thing. All these things are just your story anyway. The truth is, you're a perfect soul having an earthly adventure here. But the truth is, your ego thinks this is all real. So you know what? Think it's real for the moment and tap on it and watch it go away right before your eyes. You might get to the point where you'll notice that you don't even remember what the issue was about after you finish with it. That's when you know you've been fully successful. And that's the idea. The whole idea is to simply tell your story, use whatever words you would use for yourself, and just do it. That's how you do EFT, and that's how you set up the words. Now, if you want to start by simply saying, even though I have this pain in my neck, or I'm feeling so distraught, that's fine. You start that way with your setup. And then when you start to do your tapping on the top of the head, you say, I'm distraught. I'm distraught. I'm distraught. And then you can vary it. If you get, I get bored saying I'm distraught all the time, or whatever the issue is. I have to sort of modify it a little as I go. So I say, I'm upset. I don't like how I feel. I really can't stand this. And I'm now talking about it, right? So just go back to talking about it. And if you get lost, go back to I'm distraught. That's as simple as the wording has to be. And that's as complex as it has to be. You don't have to do any more than that. But the one thing you do have to do is make sure to continue tapping. That's the most important thing. Whenever you're feeling negative thoughts, self-limiting beliefs, or any kind of pain or aberrant behavior, start tapping. And you'll see them quickly dissipate. That's the whole idea of EFT, and that's the idea of the words. I hope that helps. Thanks.